One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Max brightness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Max brightness.
I just got some punch drivers. I should be able to tap it off.
The Vortex StrikeFire II. So what do I think about it? I like it. It's not bad. It's not great. It does the job, I feel. 30mm main tube, which is really nice. You can put whatever ring you want. This is a UTG low quick release ring. Comes with a standard offset ring. I took that off because it's a lot easier for me to mount this on and off my rail. I like how it comes with covers, front and rear. Nice little touch. I like how it comes with a pretty standard CR2 battery. Just takes one of them. Pretty standard battery, you can find in most places. I like how you can adjust the windage and elevation. Little knob right there. And the top of the cap has a little male receiver for the female end. It detents very well. It tracks pretty good from what I've noticed with it for having this for a couple of years. No real complaints on that. Battery life, I'd say, is good. I can't give you an exact hours that it's lasted for me, but I've never had a problem with it. The buttons are very easy to use. It's very easy to turn on. It's also very easy to turn off. Just hold it. Again, if you want to change it to green or red, hold the bottom button for a couple of seconds. The brightness settings are really quick. A couple of things I don't like about it. Depending on where you have this mounted up on your rail, you can get a halo effect on it. From the front, you can also see a lot of light bleed through, but you know, what do you expect? This is a $180 optic. What do I not like about the scope? Well, first off, it's big. I don't know how heavy it is, but it's not really heavy. It's just very cumbersome. And when you're looking through it, it really does take up a lot of your peripheral vision around it. And if you put it too far out, you really start to get a tunnel effect with it. You can't really see too much of your target past it. If you bring it too close, it takes up such a large view of your surroundings. Another thing I don't like, it's hard to pick up on camera, but when you change from green to red, it actually shifts the dot over ever so slightly. I did a test with this at 50 yards with my 22, and it threw the bullet target off almost 2 inches, which is a lot, considering that you're just changing a dot from red to green, but you can actually see it shift in the glass. Other than that, there's not a whole lot more to really complain about it with. It's big, it's cumbersome, but it works. So that's my video on the Vortex StrikeFire II. It's a good optic. Not the best, not the worst. It has its quirks, but it's also got its pros as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. If you would like to see more of this content in the future, please consider supporting me on Patreon. I support this channel 100% out of pocket, and it does become quite expensive and quite difficult to do so on a regular basis. So please consider that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.